Hello. In this video, I am going to design a web banner. So, without further waiting, let's start it. What we have to do first, we have to take a size of the web banner. So, for that, we have to go to new document and then we have to select this value 820 width in pixel. Okay, we have to select pixel from here and then height should be 312 and orientation also should be in landscape mode, and then we have to select the resolution or the mode. Either we are going to select RGB mode, or RGB is for digital purpose and CMYK is for printing. If you want to print your design, then you have to select CMYK like this from here, color mode. If you want to print this design, then select CMYK, but here we are going to select RGB sorry, and then resolution should be 300 pp. Then create document and then again create from here. Here is our web banner design. Then what we have to do, we have to little bit zoom out and then let's start our design. So what our first step is, we have to take a rectangle tool like this and then just draw it according to the size of this box. Okay, and then further setting, adjust it like this. And then what we have to do is, we have to select the color of this box. Whatever color you want to select is totally up to you. It's not any hard and fast rule here. So it's our color here. So what our next step is, we have to take another rectangle tool and draw a rectangle tool like this. Little bit we are going to adjust it like this or like this, and you wait a minute, like we adjust it like this and then rotate it like this, cancel here, and then okay, I need to do this and then select that selection tool and adjust it like this. I want to, let me little bit, I want to little bit increase the size of the width, and then again from here as well like this, and this is the absolutely perfect and like this. And now I'm going to change the color of the box, and what color I'm going to select is, I'm going to select yellow color little bit. Yeah, this one is fine. Okay, now what our next step is, now I'm going to select a polygon tool. Polygon tool is here. We don't need to adjust anything from this. Just select a selection board and just take a polygon tool and just draw it like this. Okay, for now we are deselecting the color and select the outline color. Okay, like this. Okay, now we can also increase the stroke as well. Or now where we are going to put it, like this. Okay, okay, little bit up, little bit down. Okay, and then little bit. And one more thing is, this size is depend on the size of the picture as well. Okay, now it looks totally perfect. Now I am going to add picture on it. Let me select a picture. Where is it? Here is our picture, and then like this. Now press Ctrl plus minus sign for zoom out. Okay, and then Ctrl plus A and then Ctrl plus C, and then we are going to our working layer and then paste it here, and then Ctrl plus minus for zoom out and then just adjust it. And while we were adjusting this, so we have to select shift key along with it as well, like this, and there is our picture. Our picture is here, and we have to drag like this, sorry, and like this, and now we have to increase the size of our artboard like this. Like now again we have to decrease the size of our picture. Wait a minute, it takes some time. Like this, and we don't need to adjust full picture, we just need upper part, or you could say this part. Okay, now let me check it. This one is little bit up. I'm going to put this box bring to front like this, and now I'm going to adjust it like this. Yeah, this one looks absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to adjust this one as well, and not too much. Now decrease the size of the box because our picture is not so big, or you could say not according to the size of our box, polygon box, like this. Little bit more here and there, and we will find our way. Our picture and our box is absolutely set. Now what I did, I just select this box and go to arrange and bring this to front. Why I am doing this? I am going to right now clipping marks on it. First select this box and keep in mind always press shift key along with that, and then press picture and then left click and then go to and then make clipping marks like this. This is our box and our picture is now ready. Now what we are going to do, we are going to increase the size of this picture like this. Yeah, this looks absolutely perfect. Little bit more, I want to increase more size like this, and then I think we need to increase. Why I am not doing this? Fully increase the size of this box, because we have to add more box. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to take a copy of this. No, I am going to take another polygon tool and draw it like this, and this time I am going to draw bigger than this size. Okay, and then take it and put it here like this, and don't forget to adjust it like this. Okay, this makes absolutely fine. Now what I'm going to do is decrease the size of this, okay, because we don't want this size. And let me select this color first and color of this box first, and then we will sand this. Don't worry, we are going to sand this, arrange and then sand backward. Okay, like adjusted. I want this color now. Little bit sand it here and there. Yeah, this looks absolutely perfect now. Now I'm going to take another copy of this. How I'm doing this? But press Ctrl and press mouse cursor, and then just take a copy of this color. Okay, like this one. Okay, this is absolutely looks perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the color of this box. What color I'm selecting? This color. Let me select it. Here is recording. It has. Now what we have to do is I'm going to adjust this like this. And but wait a minute. I made some mistake here. Not you can't say that I made any mistake. I'm just arrange and send backward like this. Now this is looks absolutely perfect. Now what our next step is, I am going to take another copy. Okay, now what I am going to do is press Alt and then click and then this like this. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to adjust this layer like this and decrease the size of this layer. Like this. First let me change the color of this layer so we can understand what we are doing here and adjust it accordingly. So what color I am going to select? I am going to select little bit orange, not fully orange but yellow kind of yeah, this color looks absolutely perfect. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to adjust it according to the size of this color. Okay, our design is now set. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to group this whole box. What for that? First I am going to lock this layer, so when I group it and select this these boxes, so it won't interrupt our work. Control plus A, Control plus 2, so your layer will be locked. Okay, now I am going to lock this one, Control as well, Control plus 2, and this is locked. Now I am going to select easily all the boxes. You can see it now. Control plus Z, now it's in group. Now this box is group now. You can ungroup as well if you want. For now, our next step is, what I am going to do is, I am going to select NF tool, and then what I am going to do, select shift and click and drag it like this and just close the full color and this and select the white color from here. Okay, like this and just close it, this one, and let me take this. Okay, now what I am going to do is, I am going to decrease the opacity of this circle like this. Okay, now what I am going to do is, I am going to take another copy. How you can do it? Press Control and plus drag it like this and make little bit different distance like this. Take another copy. This time take it on the inside. Okay, this looks absolutely perfect. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to adjust little bit this one like this. Yeah, this looks absolutely perfect. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to select all these boxes and decrease opacity again. Okay, select it again and group it. This one looks absolutely perfect. Now whatever next step is, Next step is I am going to put our logo here, but uh, we are going to put our logo here. I don't. Here is our logo area. Logo here would be fine. If you want, you can add it later. Up to you. Let me show you, and little bit down, little bit left, down, left, down, and there. Here. Okay, now I'm going to add text here. Okay. 2022, and then admission like this, and then increase the size of this like this, and okay. Now change the color of this text. Okay, like this. Wait a minute, let me adjust it, and I will tell you what I'm doing here. Okay, no, okay. I'm going to select from here. You can select this text as well. This is a very good text, and almost 91 text object style available for this text, so you can select this text easily. Yeah, this looks, let me check medium as well. No, I will go with bold size like this. Okay, now little bit adjust the size, tracking, whatever you say. Yeah, this one looks absolutely perfect. And now I'm going to change the color of this admission text. Okay, like this, and increase this here. Okay, again. Like this, and down little bit, and that's it. Now I'm going to add subheading. Here is our subheading, and what I'm going to write is admission open for registration. Okay, this time I'm going to put this text like this and change the color of this text again like this, but as I selected from the text, so, and I'm going to also change the font. I don't want it font style, and medium would be fine here. I will go with. Okay, now what our next step is, I am going to add our text here. One more text. You can say tagline, for promotional tagline you could say. Now what it could be. I'm going to add social media font on then you can join our social media page as well. So where is, okay, this is our social media icons. You can find it easily in online as well, and then select it. You can even change the color of this vector size, and what we have to do for that, just take like this and put it here and decrease the size of this icon like this, and I will change the color of these boxes later. Let me first select it and adjust the size of these boxes, and then I will do it again. Okay, wait a minute, here is it, and put it here. Here and there, and now how you can change the color, just ungroup it first and then change the color. How you could do it, you can select this color, and then first what we have to do, we have to change this color into black. I made a mistake here. Okay, I want to select this one, and then for that first I have to select the box here. No, not box, only box. Okay, and then select black color and press OK like this, and you can change the color of this into yellow like this, because we are designing for. Select this and group it, again same process. And then this is done now. One more thing I want to add here is a rectangle box like this, and change color, this color into this, and then put it here like this. And one more box I want to draw it here. Wait a minute guys, you will understand what I am doing. Like this, and change this color into white. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select it and only select this one, this point, and then one more time. Okay, this looks absolutely perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the size of this like this, and also this one. This looks absolutely and this and this, and group it and put it here like this. Okay, little bit down. Okay, what I'm going to do is like this, and select 3 sides and just One is ready. Select shape, let's select and decrease the opacity like others and decrease the size as well and put it here and take another copy of this box. Okay, group it and put it here. Okay, take another copy of this box and like this and put it here. One last thing I want to do is please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. Bye.